We have just made it to the World Trade Center. Well, no, 9/11 Memorial. It's a lot bigger than I think we expected it to be. It's pretty crazy to see the actual size of the building that came down. But yeah, you've got all the names around it, which is quite heartfelt. You know, it's quite substantial that all these people, you know, were involved in that. So. We are on the Brooklyn Bridge. This is getting some that one back.
Got some fresh glass.
Got some fresh glasses, bro. This is insane, like Brooklyn, baby. And then behind us, we got New York. So beautiful. And yeah, we're just gonna crack on and get some pictures up there. So stay tuned. Gang time.
We're now on Brooklyn Bridge. Had our pictures and just walking across.
It's very beautiful, so beautiful.
We're gonna go find a cafe, but it's beautiful, it's lovely, it's hot, and it's not actually that busy.
So every time we stop, Alicia's begging me to take pictures of her. Alicia, stop it, bro, stop it. The view is très bon, darling. So yes, we're gonna take more pictures and then we'll get over the bridge eventually. So I've just said to Alicia, if she can do one pull-up on this bar, she gets a slice of pizza.
No, one pull-up is a kiss.
Oh, one pull-up is a kiss. Three
is a slice of pizza.
3 pull-ups is a slice of pizza. If she does 5, I'll give her $5. Let's do it.
You're serious, the glasses are off.
Dun dun dun.
Bear in mind, I've already just done one.
2. Come on. 3. That's a slice of pizza.
Yeah.
Well, there we go. Happy days. You get a slice of pizza, darling. What do I get though if I do that?
My love. Slice of pizza in return.
A slice of pizza in return, okay.
Is he going to earn his pizza back? 1, 2, 3.
Do you know what? That kills your hand so bad. That hurts so bad.
No, if you've got these muscles.
I'm hard to read. I'm like a fake, it's so hard to lead. Got a few tricks up my sleeve. Oh, you're indecisive, know what you want. We both know my heart can't be bought.
My hair's freaking so sweaty right now. It is so sweaty.
I can see.
Right, so we've got a bit of a dilemma. We've just had a look at the helicopter flight, which is booked in for, well, we thought 8:30, but it's saying this now. We think that we've just booked it in English time, meaning we've just missed it. So even though we are in a bit of a rush and we're trying to find, obviously, if we just missed a helicopter flight or not, how to get that bad boy. Oh, cheeky shake shake. It's way better over here than in England. Let's hope that we don't miss it. But first, let's eat. Oh. Right, yeah, I mean it's still kicking in how mental that actually was. We've literally just got off and it feels like a dream already, like, it is so insane.
It's like too insane for you to be able to like
Comprehend, yeah, in order to, yeah, no, just absolutely mental, like, seeing the views and everything, seeing all the way down the avenues and all the streets of New York. And we even saw where we lived, like we literally went over where we lived. Yeah.
We went at the perfect time.
Yeah.
Sunset.
Like, literally.
Look at the sky.
Insane. The sky's beautiful. We saw it at the most beautiful time. Yeah, mental.